Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today we have 3 work from home opportunities just for you. The first work from home opportunity comes from the company IntelliTalent. They're looking for an executive virtual assistant. It pays up to $21 an hour. Do you have a passion for nonprofits? Are you passionate about philanthropy? Is it important for you to be part of a team that wants to help or make a positive impact? If so, you may be a great fit for a fast-growing startup that's helped tens of thousands of nonprofit founders manifest their dreams. As a part-time executive virtual assistant, you will handle many of the day-to-day admin operations of running a startup that specializes in helping nonprofits thrive. You will work 100% remotely and work directly with the CEO. They have had tremendous growth since inception and are projected to continue to grow for years to come. Our ideal candidate is based in the United States in Denver, Co., and is an experienced professional with at least 2 years of virtual assistant or executive assistant experience and available to work mornings during Mountain Standard Time. 10 minutes, 20 hours per week. Skills, experience required. You are exceptionally organized with an extreme attention to detail. You're a self-starter and in drive projects, tasks with minimal supervision. You're eager to learn and always up for a challenge. You have excellent English communication skills, both written and verbal. You love research. There's nothing you can't figure out or find online. You strive for improvement and are direct with feedback as it relates to what's working and what's not. You're creative and resourceful. You have a no task is too big or small attitude with a strong ability to embrace change at a moment's notice, shifting priorities instantly to meet tight deadlines and objectives. You are solution-oriented and a creative problem solver. You are teachable, have a willingness and desire to learn. You're comfortable working remotely with virtual teams. What the role entails: function as the CEO's right hand by helping him complete important daily tasks and initiatives. Input new prospects, leads, data into CRM system following an existing defined standard operating procedure. Follow up with clients and prospects to ensure meetings get scheduled. Email management, organize meetings, including scheduling, sending reminders, and assigning tasks on behalf of the CEO. Administrative tasks related to client fulfillment, ensuring the clients are getting value and checking in on the status of their projects. Edit and create Google slide presentation decks. Work with the content, social media team to ensure their content gets posted at the appropriate times under the appropriate accounts. Update and organize client data. Assist in creating, documenting, and maintaining internal SOPs. Organize internal cloud file storage systems with client data and client folders. Pre and post sales call follow-up with customers, calendar management, and scheduling appointments. If in the Denver, Co. area, maybe some errands from time to time. Technology experience preferred: Trello, Zoom, Word, Excel, Keynote, PowerPoint, Google Workplace. ActiveCampaign, Slack, Spiffy. How to apply: if you're interested in this position, please apply with Resume. If submitting a cover letter, please be sure to include the word nonprofit in your application. I look forward to hearing from you. Job type: part-time. Pay up to $21 per hour. Benefits: flexible schedule, 4-hour shift, 8-hour shift. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below under job number 1 so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have more job leads here on this video and every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. The next work from home opportunity comes from the company Atmosphere. They're looking for a marketing specialist. It pays up to $90,000 a year. Atmosphere is looking for a dedicated and organized team member to support and grow within the marketing team. You'll be a great teammate who is willing to take direction but also shows initiative and can work independently on projects. You are a fast learner and are willing to take on projects and directions as assigned. You show a strong work ethic and strive to continually learn and grow your digital marketing skills. The role will support the team's efforts on acquisition campaigns with a special focus on affiliate and mobile acquisition marketing campaigns. A bit about us: Atmosphere is used in more than 130 countries and 5,000 cities to discover the world's experiences through live video. Our mission is to help people experience more in life through the power of sharing.
Do you love finding new restaurants, bars, nightclubs, and experiences and are excited by building the future of discovery? We believe that through inspiration we can lead richer lives while supporting local businesses that need it the most. We are a team that values revolutionary thinking and a bias for action. Our team draws on talented people who have worked at best-in-class companies such as Facebook, Google, and Netflix. We are funded by world-class investors. Come join us and make an impact by revolutionizing how people discover experiences. Check us out on the App Store, Google Play, or at atmosphere.io to learn more about our mission. What we're looking for: experience and knowledge of digital marketing and advertising, including but not limited to social media, blogging, email, display, search marketing, and mobile. Self-motivated and able to work with regular check-ins and supervision from department leaders or teammates to communicate back progress and updates. Ability to multitask and adapt to a challenging, fast-paced environment of multiple priorities and stakeholders. Enthusiastic, passionate, and strong work ethic. Proactive and self-motivated with strong attention to detail. Strong verbal and communication skills. What you'll be doing: support affiliate communication by building out newsletters and uploading creatives. Develop and grow relationships with major affiliates and mobile networks. Assist management, monitoring, and administration of affiliate and mobile campaigns to ensure partners are updated on promoting content and hitting performance goals. Collaborate with multiple departments to support campaign processes and updates. Contribute ideas and solutions to meet business objectives. Attends and presents in team meetings and department calls. Monitor activities of competitors and industry trends.
If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below under job number 2 so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have more job leads here on this video and every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you.
The next work from home opportunity comes from the company JLK Foundation. They're looking for a social media manager. It pays up to $25 an hour. We are searching for a talented social media manager to represent our company by building a social media presence for our brands. The social media manager will be required to run advertising campaigns and drive engagement by creating high-quality original content. You should also engage influencers, manage our community by responding to comments, and oversee our customer service across all platforms. To be successful as a social media manager, you should possess a wealth of pertinent marketing experience. Ultimately, a top-notch social media manager should back their expertise by creating and sharing all relevant technical documents. Social media manager responsibilities: running company social media advertising campaigns, formulating high-quality novel written and visual content for each social media campaign, building a social media presence by maintaining a solid online presence, monitoring the company's brand on social media, building brand awareness by engaging relevant influencers, managing our online communities to ensure respectful and appropriate engagement, responding to comments on each of our accounts, overseeing customer service provided via social media, analyzing data to determine whether social media campaigns have achieved their objectives, coaching employees company-wide on content creation best practices. Social media manager requirements: social media marketing experience, experience developing social media strategies, experience working with and developing a marketing plan, ability to develop the right voice for each social media platform, proven ability to build social media communities, understanding of graphic design principles, experience as a brand manager on social media, ability to measure the success of campaigns. Job type: part-time, pay up to $25 per hour. Benefits: dental insurance, flexible schedule, vision insurance, schedule, 4-hour shift, supplemental pay types, commission pay. Experience: graphic design, 1 year required. Relationship management, 1 year required. Social media marketing, 1 year required. Social media management, 1 year required.
If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below under job number 3 so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have more job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you.
One last thing, we are going to be giving away Amazon.com gift cards to our subscribers and notified viewers starting at 10,000 subscribers here on our YouTube channel. No purchase necessary in order to participate, and if you would like to increase your chances of getting picked, don't forget to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified. Leave a comment and share so we can get to 10,000 subscribers faster and get the giveaway started if you would like to participate. It's our way to say thank you and help you on your journey to finding the best work from home opportunity available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.